Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to talk about the AVERAGEIF function. AVERAGEIF is a function that helps us to calculate the average of all the cells in a range that meet a given criteria. In this example, I have a subset of sales data. Suppose we need to know the average sales amount of invoice by a shop code in a JN. We can get its value by AVERAGEIF easily. First, I'll pick a cell to display the value. What I'm going to do is to type the formula on the cell equals to AVERAGEIF, open bracket. Now we can select the range that would be evaluated, comma, and I select the cell with already defines the criteria, JN, comma, and now select the average range, close bracket. So let's check the result. 4,000, 10,000, 3,000, and 5,000 and 1,000. So we sum it up. And divide by 5. So the result is correct. Next, I'm going to talk about the AVERAGEIF function. Sometimes we may want to calculate the value based on multiple criteria. The AVERAGEIF function can help to do that. So I have prepared the criteria JN and December here. What we are going to do is to type equals to AVERAGEIFS, open bracket. What we are going to do is to select the average range to be calculated, comma. Then we select our first range just like before, comma, and select our first criteria, comma. Next, we can further select our second range, comma, and our second criteria, close the bracket. So we can see that the result is 3,000. Let's check it. 1. So there are 9,000 divided by 3 is 3,000. Great. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helps, please give me a thumb up. See you.